there. Today I'm going to show you how to make a QR code. A QR code is a great way to give people your referral code so that it doesn't get lost. They simply scan the QR code and boom, they will be taken directly to the referral site. How simple is that, right? And the best part, this will take you about 5 minutes, maybe probably less. You're gonna love how easy this is, I promise. All right, here we go.
Hello! Today I'm going to teach you how to make a QR code. I'm starting on the page that I want to use, where I want people to be directed for the QR code. So in this instance, I'm using my Teachers Pay Teachers store, Wedded Mommy Bliss. I will click on the name of the website and right-click on Copy. Next, go to Google. You can simply type in QR code generator and many options will come up. This is the QR code generator that I've chosen to use. When I get to this page, there are many different options for types of QR codes you can make. I'm going to use the URL for my store on Teachers Pay Teachers, and I'm going to paste it right here. After I paste the name of my store, I simply click on Create QR Code. And over here to the right, you will see a new QR code appear. This QR code is unique just to the website that I've created it for. When I click on Download, it will download to my computer and I will have it saved so that I can use it for other things. It is now downloaded and I can click on it and open it and see, here is my QR code. You can scan it just like this to make sure that it works. To use your QR code, I will use mine in PowerPoint. I go to Insert Pictures. I can see that it's called Frame 4. I'm going to rename this QR code for TPT store. This will help me find it again later. And you can see I've already made this a few times. I just want to get it just right for you. Here is my QR code. I will simply click on it and now it is in my PowerPoint. I can resize it and I can move it so that I can use it however I like. As you become more advanced with QR codes, you can choose other options for your QR codes, such as colors. I can change the color of my QR code. Often this is an extra that you may pay for, but many sites have a free trial, so give it a try. I can also choose to customize it with a design. You can see this has some cute little designs in it. Very fun, right? And you can try that out for free. All right, I hope that helps you so that you can make your very own QR code.